What's up, guys? I'm fishing in a creek in Livonia, and we're fishing for creek chub. It was just luck because I already caught one, not too big. We're using just circle hook, hot dogs, and weights tied up on just some monoline. Alright, we're just fishing here in Livonia, at the Livonia Creek. So yeah. Without further ado, since I don't want to spoil it and I don't know how to do editing, let's get right into it. Yo, this is perfect. Look, it's at the top. Oh. It's social studies and it's called social studies. Why is it not social? Sorry, we have ADHD. Sorry about that. Sorry, I just have random thoughts. Oh, hot dog and a circle hook. That's really a rig hook. And then just like a weight, a red weight. Getting bites?
Mm-hmm. They're all over. There's a bunch. Hey. No, this is my spot, man.
No, you're sitting on my.
You're
my
bored.
normal.
Shut up.
Yeah, it's my normal.
You gotta bring it up here.
Oh my god. Get him. Nice, good read. Like if they were downstream.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think. Super mother.
Stop, dude. We're on call. Not call. We're on stream.
I mean, I'm recording. You're on
Yeah.
stream.
I'm recording. That's what I meant. Yeah, you have a great casting rod, so
Oh my god, I saw a giant.
can you not take the big bait?
Yeah, I won't. It's because I put a weight on it. Did you? Oh.
Is there more things they see on your line? Oh, right there is good.
But they're
They're
dumb.
older.
They're dumb.
Ah.
I'm just casting it out.
I think, yeah. The more... Yo, can you have a hot dog?
Oh, wait.
Can I have a hot dog? Oh, no, dude. Actually, just let it sit and go down. No, don't reel it in. Just pull it in and then let it go back downstream. So,
I can't. That guy, bro, huge. He just took my whole thing. That was a big piece.
so you gotta just like...
Found a good spot, guys. Grandpa.
Where?
I think it's the grandpa.
No. The fish. Oh.
Did you get one? Did you get a bite? Every time we get a bite, check your lure. Your
Oh, no.
bait. Just every time we get a bite.
And now I'm to pull it upstream.
I need to get it out there.
Yeah, you pull it up and you let it drop it right here. And you let it. And it sinks in. And it goes wherever. hopefully a fish will smell it, come do it, or just go in front of the fish, smell it, pick it up, take it.
Oh wait, one's at it.
Is he big?
I'm not sure.
I think he's the big one.
He was decent. He was at least decent.
I hate where I'm sitting right now because I have the sun on. Look, it's very bright on my right side.
That was same for me. Oh my gosh, that was close.
And I'm right eye dominant.
Right eye dominant.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Yo, can I get a bite?
Yeah, no. I know exactly where that is. Let me drop all my line back in. I'm gonna keep repeating doing this.
Is that where they are?
Right in front of me.
Literally.
Oh, jeez. Like literally right in front of me, like right there.
Like literally. Look at that tree nut. No, one bought. One bursted. No, not November.
That's crazy. No, not November.
What's 9 months after November?
9 months? Oh, I don't know the months. The only thing I know is my fish.
Brother.
I'm a hardcore fisher. Motherfucker. Every fisher's.
I've had this hot dog on the whole time.
Should I put an ant on the line?
Oh, wait, that's good.
An
Right by
ant?
cover. You see my thing right there? I just right in front of you? Right.
Oh my god, wait. I just watched it like start being tapped. How the fuck is there an ant in here?
Nobody knows.
Chat, there's an ant in here. Should I crush him?
Usually you.
He's not dying.
Use him as a top one.
There you go, I killed him. Worst comes to worst, we find a crawfish and we put our hook in front of it and we kill the crawfish and use that as bait. Oh sh! I'm like 5 fishing.
I am, bro. I have hand liner now. Alright, yo, I'm gonna switch sides.
No, you should.
Alright, now you got all back here because I can't cast that far. And it's two right up here.
You get a ton of bites over there. I'm probably gonna turn around as well.
Got it. Ah!
Motherfucker.
Alright, let's go for fish.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Yo, if I get a fish on, I'm gonna like take it.
What?
I am not in. Wow.
You gotta put your drag really low.
Yeah. I'm hand lining.
Talking to my. So when you're fishing in a creek, you gotta like watch out for turtles.
Alright,
That.
that's good.
And then you just drop your bait right in.
Oh.
Wait for a bite. Something will hopefully like come suck it up off the bottom. Or you just keep giving it pops.
Yeah, I see a piece of hot dog. I'm not even lying.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that cast was far.
Got him. Oh! He fell. Let's get off. Barely, I found him. Dude, they're going nuts. I think all this school came over here. I'm not even lying. Come over here. Then I'm saying that over here.
Can you take my leverage spot? Really?
There's a lever right out here. Don't move levers. Yeah, they're right out here. They're literally right there.
But I need to sit down.
Just sit down. Sit down on the third, dude. They're right there.
But that's my lucky one. It's my lucky spot.
Too big. Hot dog too big.
What's that? One took it over there.
Where is hot dog?
Right here.
Okay. My rod is on the other side, so just be careful.
Yes, I need like room. I just haven't.
You're on my line.
Oh, on! No, I was on. I don't think they can. I don't think my hook is like out.
It's been on it?
Yeah, it's been on it as well.
Oh.
Oh my god! Already!
Wow.
I can't get it off. What am I drag? He's chunky.
Dude, holy crap.
Oh
That
my
might be pregnant.
gosh!
That might be pregnant. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Throw
No,
it
be
back.
careful. Hey,
Yo, can you grab me my rod?
no, I can't.
Hold on.
Guys, I just caught an absolute chunker. Yeah, it's pregnant. I just caught an absolute chunker.